Hello friends. In our day-to-day life, very frequently we use a technical term that is digital in the form of digital India, digital payment, digital marketing, digital library, digital data, etc. and all that. But according to me, 99% of people who are using the term digital, they do not know the true meaning of that. And one more term also, data. Data, very frequently used. Normally, what we mean, data means it may be a text document or a table or some numbers and all that. But that is a limited understanding. Data includes, you have to understand it in a broad way. Data includes text, tables, images, photos, audio, video. Everything is data. That point you have to understand. And one more secret I have to tell you. You may see them as a text document or a table or photo or image, audio or video. But inside the computer, those are stored in the form of digits, 1 and 0. The combination of ones and 0. That's why it is called digital. Actually, here I give you the clear explanation. By that, you can own the concept. And once again, in your interest, if you want to evolve as an IT professional and all that, I give you an advice to you. Whenever you encounter a technical term without having complete meaning of that, don't restrict in your brain. You must own it, and at the same time, you must be in a position to explain to others. That should be your objective. Yadbhavan tadbhavati. How you think that happens and all that. So, I take it to the first concept and do that. And I may take 5 to 10 minutes time maximum to explain this concept. You can understand everything, but it is not everything. So, if you want to learn it in depth and all that, AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini and all that are there. By that way, every day you have to learn new things and enrich your knowledge. Now, I explained the two terms, digital and data, technically. One thing you must remember, it is not everything. I am giving you clues for everything and all that. If you are really interested and evolve as a IT professional and all that, you can explore and get the complete knowledge. That is very essential. Here, our task is you must be in a position to explain the concept with confidence and clarity. Okay, first let us start with the bit, BIT. This is the smallest element in data. Actually, where data is stored in the computer memory. Whatever you see, it may be a table, it may be a text, it may be image, it may be a photo, it may be graphics, it may be audio or video. Everything is stored in a computer memory in the form of digits 1 and 0. Actually, here bit. The complete form of bit is binary digit. This is the complete form. It represents only 2. Binary represents 2, 1 and 0. Actually, you may wonder, with the 2 digits, how a language is formed. Then, it is not a wonder. You see, English. English a language is having only 26 characters. Whereas, any Indian language you take, more than 100 characters are there. How languages are formed? Here, according to a strategy, according to a scheme, then with 1 and 0, every data, whatever I list out, every data can be formed and it can be stored in a computer memory. That point I explain. Okay, 1 and 0. Next one is byte. Byte is a basic unit of data. Actually, in the form of bytes, it is stored. Actually, how you can understand, a byte is a byte consists of 8 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 bits. So, here, next one is character. Here, bit and byte are storage units. Character is for human. Actually, you see your computer keyboard, then many characters are there. Those are characters. Every character is a meaning and purpose. Then, these characters are stored in bytes in the form of binary language, ones and zeros, in binary pattern. Then you wonder how it is possible. Just I show you a simple example. By that, you can understand. You know the character A. Then, in 8 bits of byte, we have to store it. How it is stored? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the bit pattern of A. In the similar manner, one more also I show you. Then you can have a better clarity. Suppose the bit pattern for hash is 001. This is the bit pattern. In this manner, whatever character you find on keyboard, for every character, one unique bit pattern is there. According to the coding scheme, there are two coding schemes. The prominent coding schemes are ASCII and Unicode. We need not to go that much depth and all that. So one thing you must understand, for every character, whatever you see, one unique, one distinct bit pattern is there. Just a simple example, I have given it to you. Thereafter, we have to think of image. Image also a data. Actually, it is a composition of a pixel. Picture, the complete form is picture elements in the form of pixels. How it is stored? It is stored in the form of dots. In the form of dots. By composition of all the dots, images are framed, and every dot is a composition of, just and once again I tell you, image. An image is formed with dots. Those are pixel. Pixel means picture element. Each dot is a composition of digits 1 and 0. This dot represents color, size, resolution, everything and all that. That much knowledge is required. So image is also stored in the computer memory, ultimately in the form of ones and zeros. Now, I give you more detailed information in order to enable you to understand this concept, how a photo or image is stored in computer memory in the form of digits. Actually, it is a clue. It is not everything and all that. Based on this, if you are interested, you will learn deeper. Actually, here our digit is there, one character, 3. Actually, in the computer memory, it is in the form of pixels. Pixel means, already I told you, tiny dots. That complete form is picture elements. Here, for this, how many elements pixels I have used? 70 numbers. Whereas in a computer, millions of pixels are used for this. Okay, this is the pixel. In the pixel, every pixel defines some information like a color, characteristics, etc. and all that. All those are defined by ones and zeros, digital. So ultimately, what is there inside? Ones and zeros. So in this way, you have to understand. Actually, for any photo and all that, the same logic is used. Ultimately, it is a composition of pixels, and each pixel is clearly defined using individual digits and all that, detailed pattern and all. This is the photo. As far as audio or music is concerned, all sound waves are stored in the form of digits. In this manner, you have to understand. Once again, I am telling you, I am not explaining everything. I am giving you ample clue. Based on that, if you want to learn it deeper and master the concept, you can consult ChatGPT or Gemini or other AI platform. Finally, I conclude this concept. We see data in different forms, in the form of numbers, in the form of tables, in the form of text, in the form of images, in the form of graphics, in the form of photos, in the form of videos, and in the form of audio. Everything is digital. It is stored in the digital format, ones and zeros. For that purpose, one strategy is there. I try to explain the basic concept of that strategy in this video and all that. As I told you, we have to have deeper knowledge. Then you consult any AI platform and master it. And finally, once again, I am telling you, you must be in a position to explain it to others, explain this concept to others with clarity and 100% confidence so as to impress them.